In my last video, I talked about the 3 steps that you need to make the first $100,000 with your course. Now, this is if you have a course or you are yet to create your course. Definitely check that out. If you've not yet checked it out, it is linked here. You should go check it out. Now, if you've watched that, I believe that's why you're watching this, right? And this is the most crucial thing that you will need to go to 6 figures and 7 figures to make your first $1 million with your course. Now, pay rapt attention to what I'm about to share with you. Matter of fact, you should pen this down. Have you gotten a pen? You have your notes ready? All right, let's dive deep into it. See, to make your first $1 million, and this is going to expatiate on the video that I made on 3 steps to 100K with your course. But to make your first $1 million, this is very, very important. And that is stop creating too many offers. Now, let me give you a context. So when you do this, you are creating a lot of offers probably because you have like an amount of audience. Like you have people that are asking you for stuff and different ideas pop into your head. And as creatives, I mean, we're always trying to do so many things, right? But this is going to end up being a problem for you. And here's why. When you create too many offers, one, you're going to have fulfillment problem. And this is what I mean. You're creating so many offers, and as a result, now you have to serve a lot of people, right? You have to provide support to a lot of people. Now, think about this. You're going to be delivering digital courses. Yeah, it has minimal support requests, but then you still need people. So you need people to get satisfied, right? Because you're focusing on the user experience. So that is going to be a very, very big issue. Now, 2, you're going to be creating a lot of marketing campaigns, marketing messages. Now imagine this for a minute. If you bought a box of pizza, just a box of pizza, and you shared this box of pizza with, let's say, 12 people, you all will only have just bits of it to eat, right? And no one will eat to their fill. But if you share this same pizza with only 2 people, that is you and someone, you will all eat to your fill. And so I want you to understand that it is very, very important that you focus all your energy on max 2 offers, right? At most. And this is because, 1, you're going to spend less time, you're going to spend less resources, and it is going to take less brain power for you to create, your marketing messages, think of who you want to sell to. I believe it is only when you validated one offer and then you're looking of how to take it to the next level. That is, let me give you an instance. So you buy a Lamborghini, right? And when you buy the Lamborghini, it comes with like a warranty, right? You get oil changes, all of those things within, let's say, 6 months. And along the line, you get it up by the Lamborghini rep that, okay, if you would love to get, your tires changed, if you would love to get your stuff customized, then there are other packages that you can buy. Now, at this point, it is very, very easy for them to convince you to buy it because it is a no-brainer, right? But here's the issue. Imagine if you're just everything is tossed at you at once. Or think of it like Apple products. We all use Apple, right? We all use iPhones. Now imagine if you get a barrage of decisions that you have to make when you are trying to make a purchase. What happens is you end up freezing. So you would only end up running in circles if you're thinking of creating so many offers when you've not even clearly validated a single offer. So this is very, very important, and I really advise that check out the video that I attached here. I talk on the 3 steps that you need, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about why you should focus solely on one traffic channel. I'll be diving deeper into this. So this is a series, and I'm going to be diving deeper into this. So if you love this video, definitely hit hit the like button, subscribe, and also comment below what you found, the most value that you found out of this. I'm definitely going to pick one person and we can have a 30 minutes consultation and look at your strategy. Now, note, like a 30-minute consultation with me is $1,500, but you get this for free when you comment below, and I'm going to be picking someone randomly and we'll get on a call, look at what you have in place and how you can even make it better. So, peace. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.